If you watched the previous video, you have a clear idea about this blockchain technology. So today, we will teach you how to use this blockchain technology in the real world. First of all, let's take a popular topic you all know, that is cryptocurrencies. With the advent of Bitcoin in 2008, people could send and receive money to another person without a third party, that is, without a bank contribution. Since then, more than 1,600 cryptocurrencies have been created. Some of them are Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, Tether, Tron, and Monero. Another important thing is that you do not need any document to transact using cryptocurrency using this blockchain. That means your ID, passport, date of birth, proof of living. None of this is needed. That's the value of this technology. So all you need to do is get your security code. This is a little difficult to explain. Briefly, I will tell you about it in a separate video. Next, we will look at how blockchain technology is related to the vehicle industry. Any vehicle has the number of kilometers it has run since the day it was built. But this kilometer can be changed by someone and sold as a less run vehicle. Then the customer will have to pay more than the actual value of this vehicle. So instead of these regular odometers, we can use smart odometers connected to the internet and update this vehicle's number of kilometers into the blockchain so we can see the real details of every vehicle. And no one will be able to change the actual details of this vehicle. So this method is currently being tested on 100 cars by a company called Bosch's IoT Lab in Germany and Switzerland. Also, this blockchain technology has been used for self-driving vehicles currently manufactured by Tesla company. In the future, BMW and Toyota will be using this blockchain technology for self-driving cars. Now, we are going to talk about digital voting. At present, papers are used to vote for presidential elections, so this method costs a lot of money and time. The electronic preference system is not successful either because hackers can hack this system and change the results. We can stop this old paper method voting system and use the blockchain to store our vote in blockchain and cast our vote. So this system has a lot of transparency. Now let's talk about how to apply blockchain technology to the food industry. If we use this method for a food product, we can know precisely when the food was made and where it came from. 500,000 people worldwide die each year from foodborne illness. This is because there is no way to see the food is in the right standard. If we use blockchain and get a digital certificate for every food product, we can see when this food product was harvested, where it came from, how long it was transported, and the real information of all these things. So IBM and Walmart, these two companies in the US, are already working on this. Finally, we will talk about how this technology is essential for the real estate industry. Imagine that you will buy a piece of land. So you need to know how many previous owners there were and who sold this land to the current owner. When did he buy it? How many people owned this land and to whom it was sold? You will have to spend time and money to take care of all these things. So imagine if the information on this land had been stored in the blockchain. You would have known the real details of all these things in just 1 minute. I have said these things very briefly so that you can have a clear understanding. Now you understand how advanced this blockchain technology is and how transparent it is. If there is a mysterious place somewhere, leave a comment below your question. In the next video, we're going to tell you about cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to hit the red button below to subscribe to the Crypto Cartel channel and the bell button to get notified of our new videos every single week. Good day to you all. Thank you.